Hello, we are team number 4. In this project of system dynamics, we studied different models to understand how to a company increase their power by applying a sustainable economy. Our key data provider was Harvard University article The Sustainable Economy by Yvonne Chouinard, Jeff Ellison, and Rick Ridgway. The article is mainly about the different aspects of sustainability and how it impacts to modern corporations. They listed how the value of the supply chain can be affected directly by external costs related to the environment. Model A. We use a dynamic cost-effect model to explain the actual economic growth of companies. Our variables were profit, growth, production, market share, clients, demand, sales, cost, and natural resources. The big circle at our left is a reinforcement loop. At our right, we have a little circle that provides us the balance to our model. Model B. The second model helps us understand how internal and external costs affect the structure of the total cost of a company. As we can see in the model, external costs are related to usage of common resources, environmental exploitation, or pollution. In internal costs, we have publicity, distribution, natural resources, or our labor force. These two balanced circles give us the total cost of a company. Model C. Finally, we use a dynamic model to explain the relationship between social responsibility and the success or failure of a company. In this model, we can see the interaction between Model A and Model B and the relationship between the social responsibility investments. Stock and flow model.
Our most important variable is the people we have inside the school. So this variable is declared by the people who is enrolling every year. It is declared by the potential students times the effectivity of the prestige of the university. The people entering our school eventually had to go out, so we had the people who's graduating, people who's retiring from school. So that percentage, then the people who get inside the school is the people who is graduating every year. These people who is inside the school, they have to pay something. So we have the average payment. This is including already our scholarships and all the different values of what we are paying. So all those incomes go to the economic behavior of our school, but of all the money that's going inside eventually has to go out. It goes out between operative costs and the investments we do as a school. The operative costs, we are calculating them as half of the incomes. And finally, we have investment in scholarships, investment in infrastructure, investigation, school material, and the projects. All that generates a perception of service. The perception of service has to be bigger than the standard universities so we can call the attention of different students. This will increment our prestige or decrease it if we can accomplish being better than the other universities. So if our perception of service is bigger than 1, then we get a prestige point. If it's lower, then we lose 1 point. That if we make the division between the experience of the school, we will get our prestige effectiveness, but it will be again multiply to the potential students to get the inscriptions, and that's pretty much how our model works. We can see the prestige working. So the first years we lost some points, and eventually we make it to the achievement of being the most important school. Our economic growth, well, its initial value was 0, and we stay there for a long time, since the same quantity that goes in is the same quantity that goes out.